My name is Alex Cecilia. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw a cape in Photoshop. And so I'm going to use the Freeform Pen Tool. And the Freeform Pen Tool is right in this, it's in the same area as the Pen Tool. You just have to hold down the Pen Tool and get the Freeform Pen Tool. So I'm going to start. And capes are usually pretty flowy, and actually so now we've got the basic cape shape, and then you're going to hold Control and you're going to select Fill Path. And I've got red selected and it's my foreground color, so I'm going to say OK. So we've got our cape color. And now you're going to delete your path. And this is really important when using the pen tool, so make sure you do that. Delete path. You can push Control and click. So now we've got the cape, but though this silhouette is not very defined with shading, I'm going to shade this cape so that you can understand how that works. So I'm going to select a slightly darker color, actually make it quite significantly darker. And you can use the Freeform Pen Tool if you want, but as you can see, there's this area right here which indicates a flap. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can actually add a new layer too, so that way it doesn't mess up your current layer. And then you can keep doing this. My name is Alex, and this is how you draw a cape in Photoshop. Thank you.